Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today we're comparing two popular models. The Mishiki portable washing machine with a 13L capacity and the DXJJ portable washing machine with a 10L capacity. We'll dive into their features, pricing, and performance to help you decide which one is right for you. The Mihiki portable washing machine boasts a larger capacity of 13 liters, making it suitable for more laundry at once. In contrast, the DXJJ portable washing machine offers a 10-liter capacity, which may require more frequent washes for larger loads. If you often wash multiple items, the Mihiki could be the better choice. When it comes to pricing, the Mihiki is significantly more affordable at $59, while the DXJJ is priced at $99. This price difference is worth considering, especially if you're on a budget. However, it's essential to weigh the cost against the features and performance each machine offers. The Mihiki features a powerful 36W motor, which may provide more effective cleaning, but could also result in a noisier operation. On the other hand, the DXJJ has a lower power rating of 10W, which suggests quieter operation but may not clean as thoroughly. Depending on your preference for noise level versus cleaning efficiency, this could be a deciding factor. In conclusion, both the Mihiki and DXJJ portable washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize capacity and affordability, the Mihiki is the way to go. However, if you prefer a quieter machine and are willing to spend a bit more, the DXJJ might be worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.